Okay, so today I'm gonna air fry some chicken legs. I have 6 pieces of large chicken legs. Okay, so I'm gonna use some olive oil, so maybe a tablespoon of olive oil to rub on the meat. Here I have a combination of my seasoning. So there's only a tablespoon of salt in here. So it is not salty, it's just a tablespoonful of garlic, onion, paprika, and some chicken seasoning with just a teaspoon of salt. So because it looks like a lot, it is not, just combination of different seasoning. So you can use your gloves and go in, or you can put a cover on here and just, all right, let this sit for 2 hours, as I said before, in the fridge. Okay, in a bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add my seasoning to this mix, but before I add the seasoning, I'm going to combine them in a separate container. So I have paprika. I'll do half a teaspoon of paprika. I have onion powder, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, half a teaspoon. If you have white pepper, that's also okay. We have salt, just a teaspoon of salt. Okay, salt. I have garlic powder, a teaspoon. And then I have cayenne pepper, maybe a quarter teaspoon. Then we will mix that well. So when I mix it here, then it is evenly distributed in the flour mixture. So I'll add this mixture to my flour, and then I will blend the seasoning into the flour. Alright, so that will sit until we are ready to get the chicken made. So that's it for now. So I have 2 eggs in a bowl. I'm gonna add quarter teaspoon black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and some salt. And then I'm gonna whisk the egg. So about half a teaspoon, just a pinch of salt, maybe quarter. fryer. Set it at 360 for 20 minutes. So turn it on. It's at 370. So we're gonna do 360, and the time we're gonna do, I think I'm gonna do 10 and 10. So let's do 10, then we can turn them. First 10 and then second 10. And I start. Let's check it. This is after 10 minutes. Alright. Let's get another spray. So give it another spray, and we're gonna put it in. So at the 10-minute mark, it's all done. So that is our fried chicken in the air fryer. Make sure it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, there you go. So that is the first batch. I'm gonna just go in the second batch. This is a thermometer to test the chicken internal temperature.